World-class talent takes center stage at Jamaica National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships. The highly anticipated Jamaica National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships are set to commence from July 6 to the 9th, captivating fans and enthusiasts with a star-studded lineup of world-class athletes. This prestigious event will showcase the remarkable talents of Jamaican sprinters such as Shericka Jackson, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, as well as Oblique Seville, Ackeem Blake, and Hansle Parchment. As athletes converge on the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica, fans are eagerly awaiting 4 days of electrifying performances that are sure to leave a lasting impact on the sporting world. The stage is set for an extraordinary showcase of talent as the Jamaica National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships prepare to captivate audiences once again. Organized by the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, JAAA, this year's edition promises to be a spectacle of exceptional athleticism and raw talent. The sprint events will feature a constellation of Jamaican speedsters who have solidified their status as global icons in recent years. Shericka Jackson, an Olympic and World Championships medalist, will look to continue her meteoric rise in the sport. Known for her fierce determination and impeccable technique, Jackson's presence on the track is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, fondly referred to as the Pocket Rocket, needs no introduction. Having secured numerous Olympic and World Championships titles, Fraser-Pryce's speed and tenacity have made her a household name within Jamaica and across the globe. The energy she exudes on the track is infectious, and fans can expect nothing less than sheer brilliance from this track and field legend. Elaine Thompson-Herah, the reigning Olympic champion and holder of the women's 100 meters and 200 meters world records, is a force to be reckoned with. Thompson-Herah's explosive starts and unwavering determination make her a formidable opponent in any race she competes in. Her blazing speed has solidified her status as one of the greatest sprinters of all time, and fans will undoubtedly witness her push the boundaries of human performance. In the men's events, Oblique Seville, Ackeem Blake, and Hansle Parchment will grace the track, each with their unique style and strengths. Oblique Seville, a rising star in the sprinting world, has consistently showcased his potential and is set to make a statement at these championships. Ackeem Blake, known for his remarkable speed and agility, will be a fierce contender in the 100 meters and 200 meters events. Hansle Parchment, an Olympic gold medalist and world record holder in the 110 meters hurdles, will look to maintain his dominance and inspire a new generation of athletes. The Jamaica National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships serve as a platform for emerging talents to showcase their abilities and earn a spot on the national team. The intense competition and electric atmosphere within the National Stadium create an environment where new stars can emerge and leave a lasting impact on the sport. For those unable to attend the event in person, the official website of allsportsjamaica.com will provide comprehensive coverage, including live updates, results, and exclusive interviews. Fans from around the world can experience the thrill of the championships and stay connected to their favorite athletes through this dedicated platform. As the countdown begins, excitement fills the air, and anticipation builds for the upcoming Jamaica National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships. The world will bear witness to the unparalleled athleticism, unrivaled determination, and boundless talent of Jamaican athletes. The stage is set for a showcase of human potential, where records may fall, and new legends may emerge. Brace yourselves for 4 days of intense competition, electrifying performances, and unforgettable moments at the National Stadium in Kingston. The Jamaica National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships are poised to deliver a thrilling display of speed, strength, and determination as Jamaica's finest athletes take to the track. With the likes of Shericka Jackson, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Oblique Seville, Ackeem Blake, and Hansle Parchment showcasing their exceptional skills, fans are in for a treat. This event not only celebrates the achievements of established stars but also provides a platform for emerging talents to make their mark on the international stage. As the world watches with bated breath, the Jamaica National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on the sporting landscape, inspiring generations to come. Stay tuned to allsportsjamaica.com for comprehensive coverage and witness the extraordinary feats that unfold at this prestigious event. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section.
Like, subscribe, share, and drop a word one in the comment section when you subscribe. Also, don't forget to visit us at allsportsjamaica.com and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.